how you can use your diploma and your degree in the Great Commission is using this acronym, LIFE. L-I-F-E. L means leadership. Daktari has done a degree in leadership. So lead other people. And as you lead them in the ways of this world, also lead them into the kingdom of God. You are a leader in your own little way. Among the youth, lead those people who do not know Christ to come to the knowledge of Christ. The L or the I is influence. Daktari, I know you are very influential. You have already been doing that anyway. I know. But, dear one, influence people. That diploma, as you do those maths, yeah, where you find things are not right, say it that this is not correct. Influence, bring change. And then F is finances. Need I say anything about that? So you know, you need to use your finances. And then the E is the expertise. You'll be now an expert in management and leadership. Use that for the glory of God. Now, your expertise, as you do those balance sheets and books of account, use that expertise to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ. And if you do that, then I know that you'll be fulfilling the Great Commission. If you remove the F, which we all think that financing is the only thing I can do to spread the gospel, then you are left with L, I, and E. You'll be living a what? A lie. Do you want to live a lie? Our sister has told us we can't afford to live a lie because this thing is real. There is heaven that we are going. So don't sit there and say, Mimi sina pesa, I cannot accomplish the Great Commission. You will be living a lie.